Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another college week in my life. This is my second week of classes. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd. Obviously yesterday was Labor Day, so we didn't have class. I was actually at my parents' over the weekend, just like playing tennis and going to the pool. It's very nice just to relax and not have to do anything. But I do have a pretty busy week. I have classes until about 3 today. I'm gonna head out for those in about 10 minutes. And then I'm working tonight because we have a lot of girls coming in for point shoes. I work at a local dance store, so point shoes are just like when you go up on your tiptoes, and they require like kind of an extensive fitting, so I'm going in to help with that, which kind of sucks because the bus literally takes me like 45 minutes to get there, and I'm only going to be working for like not even 3 hours, which not a fan of. But she needed my help, so I was like, whatever, I'll go in. My dad told me I was being too nice, but whatever. Tomorrow I'm working all day. Thursday I just have class, and then Friday and Saturday I work, and then Sunday I'm off. So a lot of school, a lot of work, a lot of homework, a lot of buses and commuting. But I kind of like busier weeks because then it goes by faster, but I'm already kind of starting it off tired, so that's not really a good sign. And the coffee that I made, I don't know, I had my yogurt first and now my coffee tastes kind of gross. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name's Emma. I'm studying communication and marketing at the University of Cincinnati. Yeah, that's kind of all that I have to say. Alright, so I am home from work now. It's 9:44 p.m. I got home about 15 minutes ago. I just showered. I'm about to head downstairs to get breakfast. I mean dinner. Wow. I'm so hungry. I didn't really eat lunch, didn't eat dinner. So I think I'm just gonna make myself eggs and a piece of toast. I don't know why, but I'm really craving that and OJ, so I'm gonna do that. And then honestly probably just like watch a little bit of Netflix or YouTube, go to bed because I have to work 9 hours tomorrow. I wake up at like 7:40 to get ready and catch the bus and all that fun stuff. So there is a car alarm going off right now. Don't know if you can hear it, but just got home from work. It is 7:57 and I changed. I'm gonna do a quick little workout. I have kind of a lot of stuff to get done before class tomorrow, and just for the week I have a lot of stuff to do. So I'm just gonna do a quick workout, probably on my own, just like play a couple songs and do a little bit of like cardio and strength stuff, because I haven't worked out since, well, I haven't done like a workout like this, I don't even know, Thursday last week maybe. But I played tennis and pickleball over the weekend, which like I sweat and got a good workout in, but I just want to do like more strength stuff, so I'm gonna do that and then eat dinner, shower, and do some reading for my consumer behavior class and my women, gender, and sexuality studies class. I did a little bit on the bus, but we have a quiz, so I just need to like highlight it probably and take notes on it because I was just like straight up reading. So alright, so I am out on my front porch right now. It's so nice outside. I think it's supposed to be like a high of 79 tomorrow, and I'm so excited. It's been so hot here lately. But yeah, I just have a nice view of the moon up there. We've got the sunset. I made mac and cheese and then salad from work that I packed that I never got to eat because we were so busy. And then I have like a cranberry juice in there. And I'm just gonna watch a little bit of Netflix and enjoy my food, be outside. And then I'm honestly probably gonna do homework out here before I shower. But I think I'm gonna wash my hair. Maybe not though. Maybe I'll just do 3-day hair. I have no one to impress in class, so. Thursday morning, it's a little after 9. I have to leave for class. I'm all packed up with my backpack, and then I have my little snack. So I just have a protein drink thing, antioxidant, and some goldfish. And then yeah, everything's in there. I got my earphones, my phone's ready. Just thought I'd show you guys what I'm wearing. Why not? It's very simple. This top is from Old Navy. The leggings are Lululemon, and then my sneakers are Nike. All right, I just got home from class. It is about 3:30. I am so hungry. So I'm gonna go down and make myself like a lunch, early dinner thing. And then I'm just gonna do homework. It's so nice outside, but my porch is like in complete sunlight, so I feel like I'll be sitting out there for like 10 minutes and start sweating. So I might just hang out in my room for a little bit. I do have to clean it. My room is such a mess. I have to do laundry, make my bed. I should probably sweep my floor and just like tidy up a little bit. So I'll probably do that after I get lunch and then get started on some homework. But it's a pretty good day of class. I feel like I was a little bit more bored than usual. Like in my research class, we just talked about like research methods and stuff, and it just wasn't as fun as it normally is, you know, to do with research. So yeah, but my last class, it was so fun. I love him. It's consumer behavior, and it's just really interesting. The professor is just so funny. He just like says the weirdest stuff, and he's just like down to earth, kind of like gets it, I guess, with like college students. So it's just like really applicable, and just he's just so funny. So I loved that class, and I was just thinking, I was like it's so cool to be able to study something that like I actually enjoy and love. Like I'm a comm major, and comm majors always kind of get a bad rap because like, oh, it's an easy major. And like my dad and I were talking about it because we were talking about like math and stuff, and like how me being homeschooled, I didn't really get like a super good math education, if you will. Like they didn't do like calculus with me or stats really or anything. My dad's a math teacher, so like obviously he taught us stuff, but it was more like what we would use like every day, like figuring out tax and like 30% off, how do you calculate that, like finance stuff, just like basic stuff that we would use. So like I kind of wanted to major in business, specifically marketing, but I felt as though, well, I definitely could have done it, but there is a lot of math and finance and like business stuff involved that I really didn't have an interest in, one, and two, want to work that hard on that stuff. So that's why I chose comm and then minored in marketing, because you bypass all the math if you just minor in it. But I just like, I was thinking earlier this morning in like my comm class with my first professor who I love, I was like, it's just like really cool to be like so passionate about something. Like even comm research, I'm like, oh my gosh, these questions are so good. Like, yeah, let's figure that stuff out. It was just really cool, and I'm just really happy to be studying what I'm studying, because I know not everyone is in this boat. We were also talking in class just like how some people major in things because their parents want them to, or to get a good job that makes a lot of money. Whereas if you actually like are studying something that you really enjoy, and like in a potential field that you also think you'll enjoy, it just makes life like so much different. So something exciting, I just booked a trip to Costa Rica. My friend lives there. I've actually talked about it. I taught with her in Ukraine, and she's over there for a couple months doing the same thing with ILP. So I'm hoping that she'll be there. I don't know if she will be with vacations and whatnot, but hoping that she'll be there and that I'll be able to see her. That was like our main idea. But then my mom was like, oh, I think I'm gonna go too, because it's during our school fall break. So now my mom and I are both going to Costa Rica. So if any of you guys are from there and have recommendations, let me know. But yeah, I'm super excited. That's in like a month and 5 days. No, 4 days, which is crazy. Like, it's so soon. But yeah, we found great flights, cheap flights. I found a cheap hostel, so it's just gonna be like a cheap, relaxing few days. And now I am going to get started on homework finally. It's 5:30. I really don't have that much to do. I have a lot of reading for this class, and then I also have a quiz that I have to take, and we only have 7 minutes to take it, so I don't really know how many questions there's gonna be. I'm thinking there can't be more than 14 because that's unfair, so I'm thinking like 7 or 10 probably. But yeah, I have to do some more reading for that, review PowerPoints, and then I'm just gonna take it. Even though it's kind of scary because this class was only 145 points, which is probably the lowest I've ever had in a class before. And there's no exam, so like quizzes are kind of a lot. I feel like I always freak myself out with quizzes. It was literally so easy. There were only 5 questions. 2 were fill-in though, which I don't really think is fair, just with that short of a time period, because some people just takes like a long time to like figure out your thoughts. But yeah, I think I did well. She has to grade 2 of them, the fill-ins obviously, but the other 3 I got right. So yeah, I'm kind of done with homework, honestly. So I'm out on my porch right now. It's so nice out here, and I'm gonna get started editing this video and get it mostly edited, and then just like put like tomorrow's clips in tomorrow, and then like just finish up. It's Friday morning. My grandma is supposed to be here in a couple minutes to pick me up. We're going out to breakfast. And then she's gonna take me to work, which is nice because I don't have to take the bus. But yeah, I'm all packed up, got my backpack. Today I am very simple. I just have a white shirt on, black jeans that I think are from Hollister, and then just my white Converse. I don't really know. Just white and black is the look, and my hair is super greasy, so it's up in a bun. Alright, so I am home from work. It is a little after 7. I got home about 6:30 after my massage, which was so nice, so relaxing. I could have like fallen asleep. It was just amazing. And then my boss drove me home, showered, got dinner ready. Nothing too fancy. Just have some mac and cheese, and then this salad that I've had for a week, so hopefully I don't get sick. It expires in 2 days, but it's like a Chipotle like pre-packaged thing that I got from Kroger. And then yeah, I have orange juice, and I'm gonna watch Rain while I eat dinner, and then I'm gonna work on econ. Actually, I'm gonna finish this video first and then work on econ, and then just kind of have a lazy night. I don't want to like stress about anything. I just feel so good after that massage, and work was like pretty slow today, which was nice. We weren't like crazy busy with customers. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Even though I don't post on my feed very often, I do post on my stories. I don't know, for some reason I'm just kind of like not feeling Instagram lately. And also it's very difficult to take photos of myself when I don't like live with anybody who would take pictures of me. But you should still follow me and subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys for watching again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!